Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Students, let us solve question number 19, 2016 JEE Mains Physics paper. Students, the question is, an observer looks at a distant tree of height 10 meter. Height is 10 meter. With a telescope. So there is a distance tree whose height is 10 meter. With a telescope, of magnifying power, the magnifying power of this telescope is 20. Telescope is used to, what is the question? To find, to the observer, the tree appears 10 times taller, 10 times nearer, 10 times taller, 10 times nearer, 20 times nearer, 20 times. Telescope is used to see distant objects, and microscope is used to see nearby smaller objects. Now, when the magnifying power of telescope is 20, that means it increases the object. The object's size appears to be 20 times, and the microscope, the size is increased, and for the telescope the distance is decreased. So in this case we'll write as the this implies that the object appears to be 20 times nearer. So it's very far off. It comes as if it is near, that distance is reduced by 20 times nearer. This is a conceptual question. So the answer is 20 times nearer. 4th is the right answer. Okay, thank you.